Holy shit! Oh!
I think we're getting hit with like softball-sized hail right now.
Oh, we would be dead.
Okay, golf ball size.
No.
Look at all those people under the bridge.
And it's quiet.
Everybody's honking. What the? Everybody over there that's pissed. What's going on? Did you hear somebody yelling over there?
Yeah. Holy shit! Ah! Some of these are pretty big.
I'm pretty sure they're gonna crack the windshield.
I forgot about Molly.
Molly!
Are you okay, Molly?
Oh, you just hit my camera.
Molly, are you okay?
Molly! Turn on the...
Ow. It's okay, sweetie. It's okay, Miss Molly.
Okay, turn on the light. Oh my god. We're getting dents for sure.
No, we're not getting there.
How does that not give you a dent in your car?
They aren't that big.